Candace? Evan's secretary? Is he cheating on me?
Honey, I'm all cleaned up. Should we do it on the bed or the couch? How about I choose? Let's do it on the bed. What's wrong?
Evan, explain yourself.
I have no idea what's going on. I swear.
Mr. Sumner, what can I do for you?
You realize you just violated company policy, right? That photo you sent was extremely inappropriate.
Sir, what? Oh my goodness, Mr. Sumner, I'm so sorry. I meant to send that to my boyfriend.
I figured it was just a mistake. But if it happens again, you can kiss your job goodbye.
Your secretary seems pretty careless.
I'm sorry, baby. If you're still upset, I'll fire her tomorrow. Now, where were we? Come on. I've been away on business for a week. I need you, Nina.
You would never betray me, would you, Evan? Evan? I never thought Evan would betray me.
They finally said yes, and nothing will touch us now. I'll be by your side for the rest of your life. No lies, no betrayal.
He once stood against his family for me and paid to save my father. He promised forever and fidelity.
Turns out, even the most perfect vows can't outlast a fickle heart.
Fuck off, creeps! Get lost.
Val, you came.
Of course I came. Oh, men. They are the absolute worst. What are you gonna do now?
I'm getting divorced.
Good. That's the right choice. I'll have 5 divorce lawyers lined up for you by morning. Okay, but for tonight, you sleep. Come on. I'll take you home.
No. I can't go back there tonight.
Okay. Look. I'll book you a hotel room for the night.
Huh? Why won't it open? He's burning hot, like he's got a fever or something.
Nina!
Uncle Damon?
What are you doing in my room? Get your stuff and get out of here.
I can't believe that I almost slept with my husband's uncle.
Nina, get your stuff and go.
Spencer, delete any trace of the hotel footage from tonight. Stop it. She's forbidden. Off limits.
Don't.
Evan cheating on me? Nearly sleeping with Uncle Damon of all people. How did it get to this?
How long did you plan on staying down there?
Good morning, Uncle Damon. About last night,
I don't remember anything from last night.
guess he wants to forget about last night just as much as I do.
Nina, why didn't you answer my calls? I called like 12 times. I was worried sick.
So you can disappear in the middle of the night, but I can't?
I got a work call. I didn't want to wake you. Nina, what's wrong?
Does your work emergency involve you sticking your dick in someone else?
So, you know.
Evan Sumner, how could you do something so disgusting? You cheating bastard.
Nina, I'm sorry. It was a stupid mistake, a mistake that all men make. But you're the only one I love. You're the only one I want to spend my life with, have a baby with.
Evan, you disgust me. How could you cheat on me physically but still claim to love me? Does that mean if I slept with someone else, I could claim to love you too?
If you sleep with another man, I will fucking kill him. You hear me? You're mine, Nina. Forever. I love you.
There's nothing left to love, Evan. I'm divorcing you.
Don't ever talk about divorce. That will never happen. You always wanted a baby, right? Now we can have one.
That was before. I may have a child one day, but it will never be yours.
Say that again.
It doesn't matter how many times I say it. You disgust me. I will never have your baby.
We'll talk when we're both calm, but we're not getting a divorce, Nina. That's final.